Are you struggling to connect Power BI to Oracle? Microsoft has introduced two new preview capabilities that make Oracle connectivity in Power BI simpler and more efficient. Power BI Desktop now includes a bundled Oracle-managed ODP.NET provider, while the Power BI service supports direct cloud connections to Oracle databases without requiring a data gateway. Here's what you need to know. Simplified Oracle connections in Power BI Desktop. Enable the new Oracle Preview features under File, then Options and Settings, then Options, then Preview features. Restart Power BI Desktop and connect using the existing Oracle Database connector. Direct cloud connectivity in Power BI Service. You can now connect to Oracle Cloud databases directly from the Power BI service by creating a cloud connection in Manage Connections and Gateways, eliminating the need for a data gateway in supported scenarios. Changes for personal gateways. The updated Oracle connector no longer supports personal gateways. Organizations using Oracle data sources should plan a transition to an enterprise on-premises data gateway, or VNet gateway, to maintain support and future compatibility. Gateway configuration updates. Administrators can enable the bundled Oracle-managed ODP.NET provider on enterprise gateways through a simple configuration change, helping standardize Oracle connectivity across environments. Single sign-on support. Microsoft Entra ID Single Sign-On is available for supported Oracle databases when using an enterprise gateway, making authentication more secure and seamless for users. To get started, update to the latest version of Power BI Desktop, enable the Oracle Preview features, and explore the new cloud connection experience. Stay tuned for more Power BI updates.